To celebrate Chuseok holiday, we decided to enjoy Busan with the ultimate family walk, the Igidae Trail. We left the Oryukdo Skywalk parking lot a little before 11. Oryukdo Island floated in the distance. As we climbed the hill, small ponds and gardens blended with the apartments and the open sea. We felt like we'd stepped into a quiet park in the middle of the city. Following the Haeparang trail signs, the view opened wider and wider, and far away we could see Haeundae Beach. My wife and son looked so excited as we began the trail. In minutes we reached the official starting point of the Igidae Trail, and the real hike began. In places but full of charm. Wooden observation decks appeared here and there, perfect for a shake or just to breathe in that ocean air. Honestly, this has to be one of the best walking trails in Busan, maybe even in all of Korea, where the mountains and sea walk side by side. It took about 20 minutes to reach our first stop, Nongbawi Rock. We took a little break there, soaking in the view. From there, headed toward Chimabawi Rock, passing deep blue waters and rugged cliffs shaped by time. We even spotted fishermen balancing on sharp rocks. I couldn't help but wonder how they even got there. Everyone was keeping up nicely. Igidae, by the way, used to be a coastal patrol route before it opened to the public in 1993. You can still see traces of the old guard posts along the trail. After another 25 minutes, we reached a section with barbed wire leading to Chimabawi Rock. Some people slowed down, a bit nervous about the narrow path, but the view was so beautiful it seemed to calm their fear. Watching everyone keep going step by step made me feel quietly proud. Once you pass Chimabawi Rock, the steep climbs disappear, and the trail turns into an easy, pleasant stroll. We began to see more visitors, even some foreign hikers. And in the distance, Gwangan Bridge stretched across the sea. After another 25 minutes, we reached the open-air theater called Eoulmadang. I imagined how nice it would be to watch a performance there, with the sound of waves in the background. The trail was well marked all along, and right after the theater, we found a small coastal cave. Then, about 30 minutes later, we arrived at the Dongsaengmal Observatory, the final point of Igidae. All in all, it went like this. 15 minutes from the skywalk to the starting point, 25 to Nongbawi, another 25 to Chimabawi, 25 to Eoulmadang, 30 to Dongsaengmal, and finally 15 more minutes to the bus stop. In total, about 2 hours and 15 minutes of walking. The Igidae Coastal Trail really is something special. Peaceful, scenic, and perfect for families. If you ever visit Busan, I can't recommend it enough. Thank you for watching this video.